US crude has shown little retracement, however, as we discussed, 79.6 zone is still proving out to be a good resistance. It has just got a light slight pushback from this levels and now again below 79. At the same time, the important thing is natural gas, which is again staying bearish. It has come down till towards 2.52 and it is just a notch above the strong support zone at 2.48, 2.5 levels. So what to expect now in crude and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live market analysis. This is the second update for the day and hence pressing the bell icon and joining my free telegram channel will always keep you updated with the live market analysis. Also, your every comment, like, share and subscribe is a great inspiration motivation for me to deliver on time every time to the best of my abilities here. Now with that, let's start. First we'll look into US crude followed with net gas. Do watch till the end. Now see today crude failed to stay below 78 and it is just now bounced back, and if you see today it has just stayed green, but at the same time on the upside it is still yielded lower highs, and right now it is not yet gone even close till towards the 79.5 levels, which is a great resistance. Now this is on the daily charts. I'll come back to it later. First let's have a look at the hourly chart. Now see on the hourly charts you can find out, see almost it has created a base here and it is trying to stay within this box. The highs here at 79.3, 79.5 are great raise. We have discussed this earlier. The 79.5 levels are going to be a very strong resistance, and then ultimately 79.8 80 zone. Right now it is trying to reverse precisely from the resistance itself, and this time if it stays 78.2 levels, again we can try to initiate a sell entry, because see this is the box in which it is trading. It has to come out of the box in order to confirm the direction. But let's have a detailed look here. See, stochastic is overbought, MACD is still divergent, bullish, and see this bullishness is still sub-zero levels and hence it can continue here. RSI almost flat, coming to 2 hour. On the 2 hour charts also little support is seen here. Possibly it can show a reversal and continue on the upside. 79.5 is going to be a great resistance. Now if you see it is staying above 79.2, you can buy, but then 79.5 is very good resistance, and then ultimately 79.8, 80.2 zone. This zone completely is going to provide the maximum resistance for oil today. If it stays above this, then you can consider for a reversal. Stochastic back to overbought zone. MACD crossing over here at the bottom. It is trading with little divergence. It can continue with the up move here. RSI almost flat, coming to 3 hours. On the 3 hour chart, the prices were divergent from the moving average. It is converged here. But remember, see, you can see reversal sign, then a red candle, then a green, then red, then green. And see the greener candle is increasing. The bearishness is also increasing at the same time. At the same time, one must note that there is almost a flat bottom here, which makes 78.2 levels as a very good support here. But let's have a detailed look here. See, also remember, this is the first bullish candle, bigger bullish candle, which has given a slight breakout here. And if the next candle turns green from here, possibly that could lead to another bigger bullish candle, which might take the prices till 79.8 and 80.2 zone. See, stochastic flat here, the MACD crossing over here at the bottom, and it is trading with divergence. It may call for the bullish reversal here. We have to trade with caution. RSI almost comfortable, neither bullish nor bearish. Coming to the 4 hour charts, same observation. See how beautifully the levels played up. We have discussed this one green candle for multiple red candles, and then another green candle has popped up. We discussed this thing, same observation I have shared in my earlier update today, that this might happen and this could yield greener candles. Now I will wait for a 79.2 breakout, then a move above 79.5, and that will call for a further bullish move in gold, which in oil, which might take it towards 79.8 and 80.2 zone. Stochastic looking upwards here. The MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a buying entry. RSI is flat. So this just that all the on almost all the time frames 2H, 3H, 4H, we have seen a crossover between the MACD on the downside. So possibly this could call for a little reversal and rise. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see it is seen the bottom. It has taken the support from the 50 period moving average. Now trying to look upwards. Certainly the 20 period moving average at around 80 is going to be a great raise. And this also makes 79.8, 80.2 zone as a complete resistance zone. Any move above 80.2 will call for a reversal, and we can expect it to rise further for 81, 82 levels. Stochastic flat here. The MACD is divergent, bearish. RSI is flat. Now looking at this, I will recommend you to sell here at 78.5 levels, but then 78.2 is a very important and a great support here. Any drop below 78.2, 78 levels will again call for 77.5 and 77. Remember, on the downside on the daily charts, we have seen why 77 and 76 levels are two great support. You can see 77 here, a very important support level. Also, this is going to be outside Bollinger Bands, and hence even if it tries to drop there, it could again show a pullback. So this is one very important point on the downside, and hence if you're taking a sell entry at 78.5, stay alert. Just ensure that till 78 at least you are being watchful, and below 78 it may try to show a drop, but then a pullback cannot be denied later. On the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 79.2 itself, but then 79.5 first resistance level, and then 79.8 80.2 zone the next resistance level. If it stays above 79.5, little more bullishness, but then 79.8 80.2 it should not break past. Beyond 80.2, it is going to get more bullish momentum here. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. Before we proceed to natural gas, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. The 25th batch is going to start on first week of September. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look, net gas is getting closer to its important support levels 2.5 2.48. Yes, these are very good support levels. I will definitely observe how it behaves at around these levels, but I will come back to this later. First, let's have a look at the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, after consolidating here for a while, see, first of all, net gas failed to stay above 2.58 2.6 levels, and it has shown a sharp reversal. Now this is still staying bearish. See, this candle has come out of the Bollinger Bands and trying to expand the Bollinger Bands a bit. However, getting the support at 2.52 2.5 2.48, these are next two support levels further on the downside. Let's have a detailed study here. See, the stochastic is looking down, trying to stay bearish. The MACD is already at bottom here. RSI is already oversold. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise, see flat top and then this breakout. It is trying to stay bearish. This is the first red candle after the drop. I will definitely observe if it moves out ahead of or on the upside. If it stays about 2.55 2.58 zone, then you can treat this for a reversal. We can expect it to break out beyond 2.6 2.65. Stochastic looking down, trying to stay bearish. MACD is still bearish and it is continuing with the bearish momentum, but yes, a crossover can be sooner expected. RSI is oversold here. Coming to 3 hour charts, likewise on the 3 hour charts, a flat top, it failed to stay above 2.5758 levels and have seen a good drop. See, first red candle, second red candle is making. However, the bearishness is getting diminished. What we have seen here is getting replicated here, but this candle has just started here. On the 3 hour charts, it is hardly just 60 minutes away, and there are a couple or more 1 hour candles will get accommodated here. So we have to watch out more closely how it behaves at around 2.5 to 2.5 and 2.48 levels. Stochastic is extremely oversold. MACD is divergent, bearish, and it is still looking downwards. RSI is also oversold. Coming to 4 hour charts, likewise on the 4 hour chart, see, it is staying a bearish here and looking downwards, increasing body size, consistently achieving lower lows. Now I'll watch out for 2.52. Below 2.52, we can still expect 2.5 first support levels, 2.48 as the next support levels here. And on the upside, 2.58 is the only level which will confirm a buying entry. Stochastic extremely oversold. MACD here is also divergent bearish. RSI is extremely oversold. Coming to the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, third consecutive red candle here. And this is the support zone which I am looking forward to. If it stays below 2.52, we can expect a little more drop, which might take it till towards 2.5 and 2.48 levels. Once it stays below 2.48, that is the point where the bears will take over for 2.4 levels, which is the next strongest support. I still expect it to show a bounce back because see, it is consistently staying oversold. Hence, once you see it staying about 2.57 itself, you can buy. See, stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is divergent and bearish. RSI is almost flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to sell at 2.52 and buy at around 2.5758 zone. If it stays above 2.5758, definitely bulls will try to take over and we will see it staying above 2.6 to 2.65 levels. 2.65 is the next strongest resistance which net gas has to breach in order to confirm a reversal here. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you. Do see you again tomorrow early in the day with the Asia and Europe session update. Do not miss that. Thank you.